Introducing the next generation in computer speeds, PCIe 5.0 SSDs. PCIe 5.0 promises to deliver speeds up to double those of PCIe 3.0 and unlock the full potential of the higher speeds that are typical of solid-state drives, SSDs. Gigabyte Aorus Gen 5 10000 is the first SSD to launch with this new technology, available in 1TB and 2TB formats with incredible read and write speeds of up to 10,000 MB per second and 9,500 MB per second respectively. On top of this 2TB version can achieve performance 37% faster than a typical PCIe 4.0 SSD. With such blistering speeds comes the danger of heat, which Gigabyte have addressed with their optional passive thermal guard. This premium performance comes at a price. The 2TB Aorus Gen 5 10000 is sold out online and has been spotted on Amazon for $679.89. If that's too steep, Micro Center also have their own brand 2TB SSD, the Inland TD510, for $349.99. While these top-range SSDs cater for the more affluent, as technology progress and time moves on, these speeds and features will become the new norm and make their way down to the lower-end models. For now, the Gigabyte Aorus Gen 5 10000 and the Micro Center Inland TD510 are the top of the line in PCIe 5.0 SSDs and a sign of what is to come.